I welcome you to Success CD's Education. State Bank of India is out with a notification for recruitment of junior associates and junior agricultural associates in the clerical cadre for the year 2016. I will tell you how to apply online for this. For the notification examination details, please visit successcds.net. For the notification of the State Bank of India, you can click here on the given link. This is sbi.co.in, the official website of the State Bank of India. You can see this is the notification for the exam. There is a notification in Hindi and in English, and here is the link to apply online. The application is commenced from 5th April 2016 and the last date to apply online is 25th April 2016. First of all, you should have a valid email ID to apply online. Please go through all these instructions given in this notification and only then go ahead and fill the application form. These are the vacancies given state-wise. Some important guidelines for you are, as far as the qualification is concerned, you can see this for junior associates and for junior agricultural associates. The next important thing is for the age limit. You should not be below 20 years and not above 28 years as on 1st April 2016. There is a relaxation in age limit for these categories. Go through them. If you are eligible for these, then you have to give the required forms in support of your eligibility. The next important thing is that the selection procedure has 3 phases. The first phase is a preliminary examination. The second phase is a main examination. And the third phase is the interview. There is an application fee and intimation charge which is non-refundable. Here are the important guidelines to fill the online application form. You have to pay the fees online. The next important guideline is regarding your photograph and signature. They should be digital. Unclear photograph and signature will be rejected, so be careful about that. Another important thing is that thumb impression can be captured for biometric verification of genuineness of the candidates. You should not apply external matter on your hands like mehendi or ink, so be very careful for that. You have to download the call letter and the Acquaint Yourself booklet from the website of the SBI. For the preliminary exam, these documents will be available from 11th May and for the main exam, they will be available from 17th June. So you must do this, as hard copy will not be sent by post to anyone. You must carry a proof of identity when you go for the examination. The options of the documents are passport or Aadhaar card or PAN card or driving license or your voter's card or bank passbook with duly attested photograph, identity card issued by school or college, gazetted officer in the official letterhead in the original as well as a self-attested photocopy of it. Here is some more general information. Please go through this also before filling the form. This is a list of the centers for examination. You have to choose any one out of these. Digital photograph and digital signature given in Annexure 1. Go through this once before uploading your photograph and signature. Proforma A, B, C and D. These are for those who are seeking relaxation under the Armed Forces category. यही notification हिंदी में भी दी गई है. यही सारी जानकारी है यहाँ पर. क्या क्या वैकेंसीज हैं हर स्टेट में. कृपया करके पूरी जानकारी देख लीजिए और फिर ही एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भरिए. अगर आपके कोई और सवाल हैं तो आप यहाँ पे देखिए फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं. इस पे क्लिक कर लीजिए. यू कैन फाइंड द आंसर्स टू देम ओवर हियर ऑन दिस पेज. यहीं पे लिंक दिया हुआ है हाउ टू अप्लाई. Requirements given for filling the online application and for payment of fees. Go through them once before filling the form. Now this is the online application form. These are the 5 steps involved. First is basic information. Then photograph and signature have to be uploaded. The next step you have to give your details. Then you have a preview of your form. And finally you have to give the payment for the exam. So in this first step, you have to fill your basic information, that is your first name. Then you have to confirm it. आप फिर अपना middle name अगर है तो लिख सकते हैं और उसे confirm करेंगे. Then you have to give your last name and confirm it. उसके बाद जो अगला section है वहां पे आपने अपना पूरा नाम लिखना है. जिस भी section पे ये स्टार दिया हुआ है लाल रंग का वो जरूरी है. कंपल्सरी है उसको भरना, जैसे कि आपका पहला नाम, उसके बाद आपका मोबाइल नंबर, ये भी बहुत जरूरी है, और मोबाइल नंबर से पहले 0 नहीं लगाना। फिर आपने अपने मोबाइल नंबर को कंफर्म करना है और एक ईमेल आईडी देना है जो कि चल रहा है, अभी आप उसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं। अपने ईमेल को रेगुलरली चेक करिए, कोई भी कम्युनिकेशन है SBI से वो आपको ईमेल के द्वारा ही भेजा जाएगा। फिर आप अपना ईमेल आईडी कंफर्म करेंगे और ये जो यहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी कोड लिखा हुआ है VPTBS, इसको यहाँ पर जैसे अक्षर लिखे हुए हैं वही यहाँ पर आपने लिख देने हैं सिक्योरिटी कोड में। क्लिक करेंगे सेव एंड नेक्स्ट पर। उसके बाद जो अगला स्टेप है फोटो एंड सिग्नेचर का, वो आ जाएगा। जब आप ये सारे स्टेप्स कंप्लीट कर लेंगे तब आपका ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और आपका एक ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन और पासवर्ड जनरेट हो जाएगा। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू सक्सेस सीडीज एजुकेशन।